Okay, this is just fucking silly. There's a tape I don't care about that I stole from my school a long time ago. Seems to load it in just fine. You can even play it if it'll stop. You can play it, though the tape itself is corrupted. It's a garbage tape that's way too old. That's not a problem with playback. Earlier in the tape it plays back fine, but as soon as I hit rewind, watch. Remove the cassette. Remove the cassette. Only this time, the difference is it didn't eat the tape. It didn't break it, didn't eat it, didn't do nothing. Tape is fine. It just doesn't want to rewind it. So, first time this error happened, it rewound all the way to the beginning and then ate the fucking tape, and I had to rip it out because it was caught behind some gears and shit, and now I have a ripped tape that I have to patch. But of course, when you put a tape in it that you don't care about to try and replicate the issue, it doesn't rip or tear at all. Of course. I looked it up online. Apparently back in 2002, 2003, when this camera was actually relevant, this is actually a pretty common issue. It would not want to rewind the tapes after a couple months of ownership. Some people started experiencing it 6 months in, some 2 years in. But eventually, apparently all GL2s befell the remove the cassette disease, where it records everything fine, it plays everything fine, but it will not rewind tapes. Something to do with the drive motor being fucked. To keep in mind that this camcorder used to cost like $3,000 fucking dollars when it was new, and it can't rewind tapes. So that's just a little disappointing. It's especially annoying that it decided to only eat one tape. It's only eaten one tape that I've put in it, and it's the tape that I just happened to record a lot of footage that I'd like to keep on, and it hasn't eaten any other tape since then. Thanks. Stop button never works. I've hit the stop button 7 times.